The benefit of OEM training is that we're the experts, right? We've seen all the problems people have had over the years, and we've designed our equipment in such a way that it will perform those operations. Oftentimes a customer, depending on their background, they may not have seen a piece of equipment that'll do a specific job for them. So we can kind of guide them through that learning curve, right? We can go out as a training department and we can show them the tricks that we've learned over the last however many years or however many times we've done that job. And so that OEM training gets them a boost on, they're productive right off the bat. They can take the machine out of the box, they can go right to work with it. They don't have to fumble around to figure out how to use the machine. They don't have to fumble around to figure out that they made a mistake with the machine or they're not using it properly. So it really shortens that learning curve and makes them more productive right off the bat.